Chapter 6, lessons from 116 to 120. Let's open your math book page 210 to 226. Open the math book page 210. Lesson 116, connect. Direction, use what you know about multiplying by tens to solve the problem below. Here, multiplying by tens, it's meaning I will make my multiply and I will drop the zeros, okay? For example, here, 10 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4 and I will drop my 0, so it will be 40. 20 times 5. I don't know, 20 is very big, right? So I will make 2 times 5 equal 10 and I will add the 0 here. How many 0 I will add? 1 0 for 20. So it will be 100. Next, 3 times 70 equal 3 times 7 equal 21 and I will drop the 0, so it will be 210. 40 times 2. 4 times 2 equal, who can tell me? 8. And I will drop the 0. Super. So it will be 80. Excellent. Great job. And next I will complete it as a homework. It's very easy. I will do like the same strategy. 5 times 5 equal 25 and I will drop the 0, so it will be 250. And so on. Turn the page 211. Lesson 116, group practice. Direction, measure each line in centimeters and record. If I wanna measure by using centimeters, so I will use my ruler. Great. The first line here is about, it looks like about 5 centimeters. I will take my ruler and I will measure it. It's about 5 centimeters. The second one here is 3 centimeters. Next, small group practice. We will make as a team work. Direction, complete the measurement activities below. Number 1, work with your group to arrange the items from shortest to longest. Take care, from shortest to longest. Then, measure each item, record the measurements in the chart below from shortest to longest. Remember to label your answer. Our measurements here, from shortest to longest. Let's see. I will measure what? I will measure my things. It's around us. For example, my pen, my pencils, my sharpener, my eraser, my copybook, my book, and so on. I will measure something around us or in my pencil case, and then I will label or record this measurement in the table, but I have to take care to arrange it ascending from shortest to longest. Let's label these measurements. 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 again, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters, and the last one here is 18 centimeters. Open the book page 212. Number 2, make a line plot for the data above. My data, I will take my data from the previous page, okay, from the previous page. We made it now. I will take my data from the table, okay, so do it as a homework. But take care here, the key here, and x equal 1. This is my key, okay. When I want to put the x's at the line plot, the x here equal 1. This is homework, okay? Number 3, one of the primary 3 classes group B plans for a science experiment. Students measure their plants to the nearest half centimeter and record the highest of their plants below. Their data is not in order, okay? This is my table, and I will take this data and I will put it in the line plot, okay? The height of plants here, my table, 1 centimeter, 1.5, and so on. I will use, here number 4, I will use the data to complete the line plot below. What about my title? The line plot, it has to have the title. The title here is height of plants. And this is my line plot. I will put my numbers, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 4 centimeters. I will start to put my x's. Take care, the x here, this is my key. The x here equal 1. When I put it here, the x equal 1. How many centimeter here? I made it with a different color. I put the lines here with the different colors, the orange one here. How many 1 centimeter? I have 1 only centimeter, so I will put 1x. Next, 1.5. How many 1.5 here? Let's count. I will make it with the red line here. 1, 2, 3. So I will put how many x's? 3, because 1x equal 1. So I will put 3 x's here. 2 centimeter. How many 2 centimeter? How many 2? I have 2 centimeters. So I will put 2 x's. The green. I will make matching with the color. Okay, take care. 2.5. How many 2.5 here? Oh, 1. The blue. I have 1 only. So I will put 1x. How many 3 centimeter? I have 3 centimeter. I will put 1x. 3.5. Let's count. How many 3.5? 1, 2, 3. So I will put 3 x's here with the purple color here. Number 4. How many 4 centimeter? Only 1. So I will put 1x. Next, turn the page 213. Direction. Answer the question below about the pea plant line plot. Number 5. How many pea plants are at least 2 centimeter tall? At least. I will take it from the table or from the number line plot. Okay? So I have 6 plants. Number 6. How many pea plants are taller than 3? Taller than 3. So I will take more than 3. How many here are taller than 3 or more than 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 plants. Number 7. What is the most frequent measurement? How many plants measured this high? The most frequent are 1.5, 3.5, because there are here the 3 x's. This is the highest frequent, so I will take it 1.5 and 3.5. Number 8. Sarah says the most of the pea plants were taller than 3 centimeters. Is she right? And explain. Yes, the plants that were taller than 3 centimeters are 4 plants. Challenge. Sulaiman was absent the day the class measured their pea plants. When he returned back, he measured his plant as 1 2/4 centimeters tall. Can Sulaiman plot his plant on the class line plot? Why or why not? Yes. Here I have 1 and 2/4. I don't have here in the line plot 2/4. But I know 2/4 equal 1/2. This is equivalent fraction. Do you remember that? Yes. So here, yes he can, because 2/4 equal to 1/2. Equivalent fraction, do you remember? Yes. So 1 over 2 equal 1 over 2, equal 1 and 2 over 4. Okay, so I can put it on my line plot. 1, 2 over 4 equal to 1 and half. Open Math Book, page 214. Lessons 117. Connect. Direction: solve the problem below, then answer the question at the bottom of the page. Number 1 here, 18 divided by 3. 3 times what equal 18? 3 times 6 equal 18. So the answer it will be 6. Super. Next, 27 divided by 3 equal what? I get it from timetable 3. 3 times what equal 27? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So 9. So the answer it will be 9. 3 times 9 equal 27. 3 divided by 1 equal what? What times 1 equal 3? 3 times 1 equal 3. So the answer it will be 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 3 times 4 equal 12. So the answer it will be 4. And complete as a homework. Next, turn the page to 115. Lesson 117. Direction: follow the direction below to gather data and create a line plot and bar graph to display your data. Number 1 here, use tally marks to record your teacher 5 rows in the table below. 2. Work with your partner to roll the die 45 more times. Use tally marks to record each roll in the table below. Be careful to keep track of your number of rolls so you roll exactly 50 times. The tally marks. Do you remember what is the tally marks? The tally marks, its meaning, I will count by 5 for the tally marks. 4 sticks and I close it with 5. Okay, you remember that, right? Here, the first one, here, number 1, I will take my dice and I will roll it with row. And I will get 6 times number 1 in my dice. I will find it 6 times. 5, this is the tally marks with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and close it with 5. And 1 more, so this is 6. Number 2, 3. Number 3 is 4 sticks. Number 5, 4 is 5 tally marks. Number 5 is 2. Number 6 is 3. Use this data in your table to make a line plot. Be sure to add a title and a key. I have to put a title and a key. My key here equal 1. So what about my title? My title here is the marks. The marks for the dice. I will put my numbers here in my line plot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1 here. How many numbers? 6. So I will put how many x here? 6, because 1x equal 1. So I will put 6 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 2, how many stacks here? 3. So I will put 3 x's. Number 3 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is 2. So I will put 2 x's. 1, 2. Number 6 here is 3. 1, 2, 3. Using
below, create a bar graph to display the data you collected. Be sure to label the horizontal and vertical axes and to give your graph a title. The graphic meaning I have two axes, vertical axis and horizontal axis. Okay? I have to write the numbers of the students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I will write the names of the food. For example, here I make my graph for the food, the favorite food at the class. And I will take my data or collect my data from the class. Okay? How many students here like apples? Let's count and I will take how many students. Here I will count how many students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have here 9 students like apples. And how many students love mango? Let's count. I have here 6 students like mango. I take my vote from the class. From the students to the class. Okay. Turn the page 217. Answer the question below about data and graph. We studied the graph before at the grade 1, grade 2, and the first time for the grade 3 and now. So it's very easy. Which number did you roll the most here? The most here is apple. Which number here is the most? Number 9. Here we ask about the numbers, not the name of the food. Which number, number 6, which number did you roll the least? The least here is 6. How many times did you roll an even number? Even number here is 1. I have here 1. Even number is 6. Okay? Let's continue. What is the even number? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Number 8. What is the difference between the total number of even number rolled and the total numbers of odd numbers rolled? Here, that is an odd is 9 and even is 6. So 9 minus 6 equals 3.
Open page 218. Open page 218. Direction below is an example of a game board. Find the area and perimeter of the shape number 1. Group practice. We studied before what is the area and what is the perimeter. The area, it's meaning how many units inside the shape. The perimeter, how many units around the shape. Around the shape. Okay? Outside the shape or around the shape. For example here, example number 1, the blue here. How many units inside the shape? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area equal 5. What about the perimeter? What about the perimeter? The perimeter here, let's count how many units around the shape. Count with me together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the perimeter here is 10. Okay. Next. Page 219, I will complete the table. I will complete the table. We made here number 1, we made it. I have 5 area and 10 perimeter. Shape number 2 with red color. Here the area, how many units inside the shape? I will count. How many units inside the shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 square meters. What about the perimeter? I will count. Count like the example number 1. I will count how many units around the shape. Okay? I will make the same steps. So the answer it will be 14. The answer it will be 14. This is irregular figure, not arranged, but this is differently. Okay, shape number 3 or figure number 3 here, it's irregular. So how many area here? How many units inside the shape? 6. This is the area. It's very easy. What about the perimeter here? I will count how many rows and how many columns, and I will make add or plus. Here 2 columns plus 3 area, plus 3 rows plus 2 columns plus 3 rows. 2 plus 3 equal 5 and 5 equal 10. So it's 10 sides. Shape number 4. Yes, with the yellow. Shape number 4. How many units inside the shape? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the area equals 7. What about the perimeter? I will count how many units around the shape. It will be 12. Shape number 5. The area equal 11. I will count how many units inside the shape. What about the perimeter? The perimeter equal 14. 14. I will make it with how many units around or outside the shape? Around the shape. Number 6 here, the area equal 11. 11 units inside the shape equal 11. What about the perimeter? The perimeter equal, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Complete number 7, 8, 9, and 10 as a homework. Open page 222. Lesson 119. Direction: read the question, write your answer in the box below each question. What parts of your game were successful? What worked well? This page is a homework because this look like a games, okay? You will make it with your partner. Page 223, lesson 120. Direction: solve as many of the problems as you can in 5 minutes. Pay attention to the operation sample. If you finish before your teacher calls time, check your work, then circle the easiest problem and draw a square around the most challenging ones. Here I have to take care for the sample. Times or plus or minus or divided by and so on. Here 7 times 3 equal, I would get it from table 3. So the answer it will be 21. Example number 2. 7 plus 2 equal, let's count after 7, 8, 9. So the answer it will be 9. 10 minus 1 equal, 10 minus 9 equal 1. 18 divided by 3. 3 times what equal 18? I will get it from table 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So the answer it will be 6. 3 plus 12 equal 15. Super. 4 times 6 equal 24. 36 divided by 6 equal 6. The last one, 7 minus 5 equal 2. Complete as a homework. Complete this page as a homework. Page 224 at the math book. In this page, I will put my opinion for what I learned and during the year. Okay. Everyone will put put the thumb up, thumb down, or thumb sideways about your opinion for the lessons. We studied before. During the year, I will study a place value lesson. What's your opinion for it? Is it good, bad, and so on. I will put my thumb up on the page. Okay, each one will put his opinion in the book. Line plot, comparing fraction, drawing a fraction model, fraction on the number line, equivalent fraction, what's your opinion for the lesson, adding, subtracting, solving story problems, perimeter, area, graphing, telling time, measuring, multiplying, dividing, ordering number, and so on. Each one write his or her opinion in the page 226. In this page, everyone we will draw himself, okay, a portrait for the first portrait for the beginning of the year and the second portrait for the ending of the year. You will draw yourself and you will write a word. Goodbye.